F40-6250A battery jump starter. Also works as a USB battery pack. Comes in a sturdy carry case. Inside there's a mesh pocket. And these are your clip connector cables. Everything seems pretty thick and heavy duty. Comes with your battery clamp module, USB cable. The unit itself is kind of heavy. It's got a rubberized exterior. It has some USB outputs and also the USB input for charging it. It says to charge it before its first use. On this side, it's got a flashlight. And to turn on the unit, you press this power button. Then you press it one more time and the flashlight comes on. First thing I'll do is try to charge a phone through the USB. Now I plug it into my phone. You do have to turn the power on. And now it is charging. It outputs 5 volts, 2 amps. So you've got 2 USB outputs, and this is your input where you recharge the device. Use a regular wall plug, and now it is recharging. Took about 45 minutes of charging to top it off to full capacity. To jump start the car, you connect the clip to the jump starter, and this is a keyed connection. It can only be inserted one way, and it should say waiting for connection, which it does. I'm going to also try jump starting this lawnmower.